Hey guys, Alex and Emilio here, also known as the Dudes. So, fourth video, alright? Fifth video. We're gonna do a double dare video. So, I'll go first. Alex, I double dog dare you to jump in Danny's bounce house.
Okay.
Or are you a scaredy cat and a wimp?
I'll do it.
Okay, we're gonna do it.
So yeah, we're gonna go there and then we'll...
And then he's gonna jump on Danny.
Yeah, and then we'll cut back, okay?
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see you guys in a few minutes.
Wait, did you end the video?
Now. I'm gonna edit it out. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, we made it, and yeah, before we do this dare, I want to do my dare against Emilio. So I triple dog dare you to do it with me.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay, we'll cut it until we're in there. So yeah. Wait, dude, we have to ask first. Melvin, can we jump in here for a YouTube video?
Yeah, we're gonna post this on YouTube.
Right? Okay.
We're gonna post this on YouTube.
Okay, guys, we're back, and yeah. Let's see how Emilio likes his little boyfriend.
Shut up. You like Alyssa? You want to date her?
Yeah, right. You're probably talking about yourself. Now, one thing. Get down to the ground! Down! Sit down! Okay, guys, I'm gonna hand the camera to Emilio. So yeah, here you go. Get down to the ground!
That burned.
Are you alright? I think I might be stuck. I'm stuck! Big time!
Come on, get out.
I'm trying!
So, we're gonna post this on YouTube. Wait, on the Dudes channel, right?
Yep. Go. Okay, guys, it's been 5 minutes about. So yeah, we'll cut ahead of the video, and yeah, we'll see you in a bit.
When I want, you can't dare somebody to do the thing with you.
Dude, come on.
So, I dare you, I double dog dare you. What? To tell Jimmy he's fat.
Okay, but as we know, he's not home right now.
He might be.
He's not. So anyway, I'll do that when he's home, but for now, for you, Why don't, when Alyssa's home, go
Ask
and...
her out on a date.
No.
What?
Go and ask for a kiss.
I'm a wimp. I'm a wimp.
I thought so.
As long as you hit Junior.
Hit him?
Hit him and tell him that he's a male stripper. And tell him that he's a big fat pig.
I'm a wimp. I'm a wimp.
Do your helmet.
Oh yeah, huh? Guys, we'll cut ahead in the video. We'll be right back. I know.
Go around me.
Okay, dude, just do one more dare, okay? Dude, we're meeting at your house.
What?
We're meeting at your house. This part's gonna get cut out. Let's go. Thanks, Melvin. Okay, guys, we're back. Well, at least I'm back. So, yeah, here's the dare that Emilio has to set for me. Take it away, Emilio.
Who do you like?
Who do I what?
Who do you like?
Well, that's the only problem. I don't really like anybody.
Okay, well, I do it anyway.
Okay.
I dare you too. And you can't be a wimp 2 times. I dare you to kiss Alyssa. And no exceptions.
I'm a wimp. Second wimp.
No.
GG, I lose.
No, you
I
can't.
lose automatically. Okay, now it's my dare for you to see, even though you're already the champion, it's just for the YouTube. Let's do it!
It doesn't matter if I lose.
Yeah. Okay, so I dare you to go over to that lady right there. Well, actually, go up to L
What?
and say that she's hot.
I don't have to, because I'm already the champion.
No, if you say that you're a wimp on this one, then it's a tie.
I'm not a wimp, but I just don't want to do it.
You're a wimp.
No, it's just that.
You're a wimp.
Oh, you're hot. Okay, I said that.
Nope. You're a wimp, Emilio.
You're okay. One last one. This is the final one.
Nope.
It's the final one.
That was already the final one.
Okay, this is the final
I hope you guys enjoyed this.
final
I
one.
hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, hit that like button down below, and
Smash out.
make sure you smash that smash that subscribe button. It really helps out a lot. So, yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
We're making so many uploads. I only need to put the intro in front of every single video.
I'm still recording.
Alex is a douche.
Okay, bye.